What's up, guys? It's Edugates here, and today I will be teaching you how to retrieve your items after you died. And let's say you didn't save the coordinates of where you died and you want to retrieve your stuff. So this is the tutorial for you. So I'm just gonna die first, and the way you do it is you use this program that I will now show you. So let me just quickly die. I should die now. Alright, there we go. So I died. And I didn't save my coordinates because I didn't have the F3 menu open or any minimap plugins. So you just save and quit your world, close out of it, and you want to get a program called MCA Selector. And what this program allows you to do is allows you to scan all loaded chunks in any Minecraft save file. And what you want to use it for is to find the last updated chunk, and which is like the last chunk that your character was in before you died. So I'll show you that now. So I have MCA Selector opened, and you want to open up your Minecraft world, which you want to retrieve the location of where you died. So region, select folder, and it's going to load up your entire map. And this may seem kind of daunting if you have a very big map and a lot of loaded chunks, but with the filters you can narrow it down to what you want to find. And what you want to find is, of course, the location of where you died. So last update will find any chunk based on the date that you set to it. So I'm going to look for chunks that were last updated at the time of the event. So 20 3 03 21, and it happened at 9 o'clock, so that military time is 21, and I believe it was like 2 minutes ago or something that happened. So we'll do 47. Yeah, so 21:47:02, and we're gonna look for any chunk that was loaded after this time. And to narrow it down a bit more, we will also include how many entities we had. So let's say you had a full inventory. That means you'd have a lot of entities. So I'm gonna put down 10 items. So it's gonna scan it for chunks which were last updated after 2020 March 21st at 9:47 p.m. and it's gonna look for chunks which have 10 entities loaded in it. So we're gonna press on OK, and we narrowed it down a bit. So why did I do that? Alright, so now we have 2 results here. But I know that I died in a forest. So this is the location of where I died. So now we're going to go into Minecraft, and we're going to retrieve my items based on the coordinates. So it says negative 425x and negative 8z. So we're going to go onto the world. It's going to take a little bit. Alright, go into your world, and of course to type in commands you want to make sure that you have cheats enabled. If it's not, then you could just open to land, and yeah. Now we want to TP to those coordinates, which is negative 426 negative 4, so negative 426. I'm gonna put like 60 negative 4. Oh fuck. Hold on. Uh-oh. Alright. And we should find our items somewhere around here. So let's see. Right here. There's all our items. So if you ever fall into the situation where you want to retrieve all your survival stuff, but you don't feel like searching for it, there you go. Now you don't have to. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to stay tuned. And yeah, epic. Hamoud.